Hi friends, welcome to Su's Cooking. Today I will be making Parippu Vada or Dal Vada, which is fritters made of split chickpeas. Usually this is deep fried in oil, but today I'll be making it in an air fryer. We will begin with soaking 1 cup of split chickpeas. Here I have also added 2 tablespoons of masoor dal. It's not necessary, but you can add either masoor dal or tur dal, just 2 tablespoons. And we'll soak this for an hour. The other ingredients we need is 1 small onion chopped, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of shredded ginger, and a teaspoon of asafoetida. I also need a cooking spray. I'm using an olive oil cooking spray here. You can use any other oil. I'm going to grind this soaked chickpea. Before grinding, I will add half a teaspoon of salt. You can add more if you want. And we'll grind it without adding any water. The coarsely ground chickpea. To it, I'm going to add all the other ingredients which I showed you earlier: onion, green chili, and the shredded ginger, also the asafoetida. I'm also going to add shred some curry leaves and add to it, shred it into small bits. So just shred them and add it there, and then I'm going to mix it thoroughly. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to make balls out of the ground chickpea and then flatten it and keep them ready to go to the air fryer. Now I have all of these vadas ready to go into the air fryer. So we're going to opt the air fry method, and the temperature needs to be set to 370 Fahrenheit, and the time, I guess I will just keep it for 15 minutes and see how it goes after 15 minutes. If it's not cooked by then, we'll add another additional couple of minutes. Click start. The air fryer is preheated already. It says add food, so I'm going to pull out the tray. Now we will grease the pan with the cooking spray so that the food doesn't stick to the tray. So now I have laid them all in the cooking tray. I'm going to just spray a little more oil on top. Not a lot, but just a little, so it stays moist and doesn't get too dry. Now I'm putting it back into the air fryer. So after about 13 minutes, the air fryer says to flip the food, flip sides. So I'm going to do that now. All of them have been flipped now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some more oil on top of this so they don't get dry. The instant air fryer did not come with a lot of cooking instructions, so all this is just trial and error. Now I'm going to stick it back into the air fryer and let it do the rest of the cooking. So now this is done. It looks perfect, browned, and it's crisp, and looks like it's done. Madhi. So looks like it's perfectly done, and I'm tasting it. It's yummy. It's crisp on the outside, it's soft on the inside. It's well cooked, well done. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. I'm planning to upload many more air fryer recipes. If you like to watch them, please do subscribe to my channel, Sus Cooking. See you in the next video. Thank you.